my name is Ellen. I'm a registered dietitian here at CHI Health, and today we're talking about making modifications to recipes you know and love to save on calories. Something important to keep in mind is you will have to make adjustments to that recipe, but you don't have to sacrifice taste. For example, if you're going to a party and chips and dip is your favorite go-to, try bringing a raw vegetable tray with hummus as your dipper. You save on calories and fat, but you increase the protein and the nutrition quality. If ice cream is your favorite and you normally would get a cherry chocolate malt, try doing fresh berries paired with dark chocolate chips. You will drastically cut the calories, but you'll get an antioxidant boost from the fruit. If lasagna is your family favorite, try substituting whole wheat noodles and low-fat turkey. You'll increase the fiber as well as get fat savings by switching from beef to turkey.